Hey guys, Ashley here and welcome back to a brand new video. If you are new here, I share this channel with my twin sister Courtney. So two different houses on one channel. She posts on Saturdays, I post on Thursdays. So let's get into today's video. As you guys can see, it is a bedroom pick up, clean and organized kind of. Basically going through the drawers is the organized part, putting things back where they belong. And I will be changing out my comforter set. I do want to say ahead of time, I did wash the gray set you see right there, and the gray sheet, fluffy sheet, whatever you call that, and the fitted sheet. Those are all clean already. The comforter and the pillowcases of my old set, which was the orange. Oh my god, what is with orange today? I am so lost. Which is the green and gray set, will be getting washed and put away, and the yellow and gray set will be put on, which is our favorite set. It's so comfy. But the first thing I am doing right now is I cleaned off the top of the dresser. I am folding these clothes and putting them where they belong, and then I move on to the tall dresser you see there. I don't know the real name for it, but that's what I call it, the tall dresser, which is all my clothes. If you are not new here, you know I used to have my clothes in some of the drawers that I'm in right now, but I put all of my hubby's clothes in here and all my clothes in the other one. So I think that's enough chit-chatting for now. I will be popping in and out when needed or necessary. Let me know if you guys have any questions about anything. And let's get on to the music and tidying up this bedroom. Oh, and one quick thing. I do have one more thing to say. The reason why I only have this room just done in the video, I was kind of upset, but we had the plumber come to the house today in this video, and the water got turned off because I did want to, deep clean the carpets and stuff like that. I still had to clean my kitchen, like every room still had to get cleaned, and I was going to record it, but with the plumber being in the house and the water being turned off and him replacing pipes and stuff like that, I couldn't do what I needed necessary on a normal basis, never mind for a video. So I do hope you guys understand my situation currently at the moment. But I am done now. Let's get into reorganizing and fixing up my drawers, getting them nice and tidied, and finishing up this room.
I can smell her on your skin, taste of her perfume. If my heart was yours to win, you don't deserve it, boy, you lose. We're in the jungle, and while we're out here, you are playing by my rules. 'Cause everyone knows fighting me's a battle you don't wanna lose. I surrender. can smell her on your skin, the bitter taste of her perfume. If my heart was yours to win, you don't deserve it, boy, you lose. We're in the jungle, and while we're out here, you are playing by my rules. 'Cause everyone knows fighting me's a battle you don't wanna lose. I surrender to you. Oh, you lock down my heart. I surrender to you. Nothing keeps us apart. I surrender to you. Oh, you lock down my heart. I surrender to you. Nothing keeps us apart.
So what I'm doing here that you guys can't really see is that I'm actually just picking up the stuff that's on the floor over here. A few things fell on the side of the nightstand, so I'm just trying to get all the trash from out of there. And then, as you guys can see right there. And then I'm just trying to put everything back to where it belongs and stuff like that. So that's what I'm doing. I figured I'd let you know so that way you're just not like, what the heck is she doing? But anywho, since I'm here talking, I might as well introduce myself for anybody new here. My name is Ashley. I have two beautiful sons. One is 1 and the other one is 11 years old. I've been with my significant other since high school, so basically high school sweethearts. We also have a dog. His name is Havoc. Let me see what else. I think that's about it. I do not own this house. It is a rental, but one day I will own a house one day. But now what I am getting into is taking off the old comforter set that I was telling you guys about and putting on the new one. I'm just going to quickly, air out this piece of my bedding. I don't know where my head is right now. It's like clearly I can't talk today, but yeah, just airing it all out, getting the crumbs off of it because we do eat in here. Yes, we do. But these sheets and stuff like that are already clean, so no worries there, guys. So let's continue on getting this room all clean. So I learned just to use my vacuums to clean my fans. Usually I use a rag and spray, but it just makes a mess and everything's just flying everywhere. So I figured, you know what, I'm just going to use my vacuum. It's more, less dust flying around, more clean and easier. So now I am vacuuming this carpet and my floors. And the one thing I really wanted to get in today's video and in general was to deep clean these carpets, my living room carpet and my bedroom carpet. But like I said, the plumber this day had the water off all day, so I was unable to do that for you guys and for me. But after I am all done vacuuming, I do give you an overview of the bedroom being all nice and tidied up and organized and cleaned. And I also add in me folding a load of laundry. So if you need some laundry folding motivation, I have that for you guys today. Let me know if you enjoyed my video today, guys, by giving it a thumbs up and commenting something nice down below. Let me know if there's anything you guys want us to record that we haven't in a while, or, would be a good idea to record. Sorry, that's the baby. Or give us some ideas. Maybe we missed something. Let us know. And I want to say thank you so much for watching my video today, even though you didn't have to. Thank you for spending the day with me. Sorry for the in and out of the lighting. I thought I pushed auto lock focus. I guess I didn't. But I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. Don't forget about Courtney's video on Saturday, and I will be back here with a brand new video on Thursday for you guys. I will see you guys next week. Bye.
I feel so strange thinking about you after all the wrong you've done to me. I can't go on feeling like I do, 'cause my heart loves you. Don't waste my time, 'cause someone like me you'll never find. I thought we had a good thing. I was wrong, and now I must move on, yeah. All the time I think of you, holding on to someone new. Don't make me lose my mind. Seems like I've been here before. Baby, I can't take no more of you trying to play me out, baby.